In today's fast-paced society, stress levels are soaring, energy is dwindling, and health often takes a back seat. But what if there was a simple, green superhero hiding in plain sight, ready to transform our lives? Get ready to discover the 25 health benefits of eating broccoli every day. From boosting your immune system to enhancing your mental clarity, this cruciferous powerhouse is about to redefine the way you think about nutrition. Join us on this journey as we unveil the incredible impacts of incorporating broccoli into your daily diet. Hit the notification bell for healthy tips updates and join us on this wellness journey. Before we get started, I want to assure you that this video provides helpful information about your health, but it is not a replacement for seeing a doctor. If you have any medical concerns, please consult with a qualified healthcare professional. First, let's dive into the wonders of broccoli. Vitamin C, the superhero of nutrients, steals the spotlight as broccoli's top benefit. Picture this: 1 cup equals a whopping 130% of your daily vitamin C needs. But why is this crucial? Vitamin C transforms into a powerhouse antioxidant, swooping in to shield your cells. Brace yourself for a reduced risk of certain cancers. Broccoli's vitamin C game is strong. Moving on to the next marvel, broccoli's prowess in the fiber game. Claiming spot number 2, this green powerhouse is your go-to for digestive wellness. Clocking in at about 5.4 grams of fiber per cup, broccoli plays a key role in seamless digestion, cholesterol management, and that delightful feeling of fullness. Now, let's turn our attention to broccoli's vitamin K prowess, claiming the 3rd spot on our list. With a generous 15% of your daily needs in just 1 cup, it's a vitamin K powerhouse. But here's the intrigue. How does vitamin K, courtesy of broccoli, contribute to blood clotting, support organ function, and ensure the robustness of your bones? Get ready for a deep dive into the multifaceted benefits of broccoli's vitamin K content. Broccoli's vitamin A supremacy secures its spot at number 4, providing a stellar 80% of your daily needs in just 1 cup. But let's uncover the real magic. How does this abundance of vitamin A in broccoli contribute to maintaining healthy eyesight and fortifying your immune system's defenses? Brace yourself for a journey into the realms of vision and immune system resilience, all thanks to the green goodness of broccoli. Prepare for a groundbreaking revelation at number 5, broccoli's potential role in reducing the risk of cancer. Emerging studies suggest that the antioxidants nestled in broccoli might be the key to lowering the risk of certain cancers. And here's a star player in this anti-cancer saga, sulforaphane, a mighty compound in broccoli that showcases promising potential in decreasing the likelihood of lung and prostate cancers. 6. Unveils broccoli's hidden talent, hormone harmony. Dive into the realm of hormone regulation, where broccoli's fiber and nutrients take center stage. This cruciferous marvel steps up to the plate, offering a helping hand in balancing estrogen, making it a particularly valuable ally for women's health. Number 7 shines a light on broccoli's digestive prowess. Brace yourself for the revelation. Broccoli holds the potential to be a digestive health champion. The fiber content in this green giant doesn't just stop at smooth digestion. It's your go-to ally against constipation, bloating, and other digestive discomforts. But that's not all. Broccoli steps up its game by shielding your digestive tract from harm and curbing inflammation, all thanks to its antioxidant superpowers. 8. Unveils broccoli's secret weapon, choline. As we venture into the wonders of broccoli, it's time to acknowledge the substantial amounts of choline it holds. This vital nutrient isn't just any player. It's a key contributor to brain and nerve development. But that's not all. Choline also emerges as a hero in the battle against inflammation in the body. Broccoli takes center stage at number 9, flexing its muscles as a high-potassium superhero. Get ready for the revelation. This green powerhouse is an excellent source of potassium. Brace yourself for a journey into the realms of healthy blood pressure and heart function as broccoli steps up to the plate. But wait, there's more. It might even play a role in reducing the risk of kidney stones. Hold on tight for number 10, where broccoli takes on a detoxification mission. Unveiling its arsenal of sulfur compounds, broccoli becomes a crucial player in essential detox processes within your body. But here's the real kicker. Enter glucoraphanin, a compound that not only sounds impressive, but also assists in constructing enzymes vital for detoxification and nutrient absorption. 11. Let's celebrate broccoli's low-calorie charm. Fear not for your waistline, as broccoli proudly boasts its low-calorie status. Picture this, a mere 31 calories in just 1 cup of cooked broccoli. Brace yourself for a guilt-free indulgence, as this green delight becomes your weight loss-friendly companion. It's not just about health benefits. Broccoli is your ally in maintaining a calorie-conscious and delicious journey. 12. Where broccoli showcases its niacin, or vitamin B3 prowess. Prepare for a nutrient-rich revelation. Broccoli delivers a substantial dose of niacin, a B vitamin that's not just good, it's crucial. Niacin takes the stage, contributing to energy production, supporting brain function, and even playing a role in the inflammation reduction game. If you're enjoying this video, please consider subscribing and turning on notifications so you never miss a new upload. We share helpful health information and tips to help you live your healthiest life. Welcome to number 13, where broccoli reveals its iron-rich identity. Brace yourself for the revelation. Broccoli is not just a veggie, it's an excellent source of iron. This isn't just about supporting hemoglobin production, it's about ensuring the smooth transport of oxygen throughout your body. Broccoli, stepping up as a vital player in your circulatory system, proves that it's not just a green delight, but a nutrient-packed powerhouse. 14 brings us to broccoli's potential role in lowering blood pressure. Brace yourself for this heart-healthy revelation. Regular broccoli consumption might just be the key. How? By boosting the production of nitric oxide, a superhero molecule that relaxes blood vessels and enhances circulation. Hold on for number 15, where broccoli showcases its magnesium richness. Get ready for a mineral-rich revelation. Magnesium takes the spotlight, and broccoli is the star of the show. Magnesium, abundant in this green wonder, plays a multifaceted role, from aiding in muscle relaxation and nerve conduction to being a key player in energy production. But that's not all. Magnesium also steps up as a vital contributor to strong bones and a reduced risk of heart disease. 16 unfolds the potential heart protective benefits of broccoli. Brace yourself for this cardiovascular revelation. Broccoli may be your heart's best friend. The sulforaphane compound, a superhero in broccoli, is linked to a reduced risk of heart disease. But that's not all. It goes the extra mile by decreasing inflammation and enhancing artery flexibility. 17. Let's talk about broccoli's beauty bonanza. Brace yourself for a radiant revelation. Broccoli isn't just a vegetable. It's your secret to glowing skin, luscious hair, and strong nails. Packed with essential vitamins and minerals, it's a beauty powerhouse. Say goodbye to wrinkles, as broccoli may work its magic. Number 18 unveils another benefit: broccoli as a weight loss ally. Get ready for this fitness revelation. Broccoli's high fiber content becomes your secret weapon. It keeps you feeling full for extended periods, curbing the temptation to consume excess calories. And the bonus? Its low-calorie nature means you can indulge in a satisfying meal without worrying about tipping the calorie scale. Broccoli, not just a healthy choice, but a smart one for those aiming to shed a few pounds. 19, where broccoli unveils its phytonutrient treasure trove. Get ready for a health-boosting revelation. Broccoli is a powerhouse of phytonutrients. These potent compounds aren't just a bonus, they actively work to reduce inflammation, elevate immune function, and amp up antioxidant activity. Broccoli, not just a veggie, but a botanical marvel that keeps your body in top-notch condition. Number 20 unlocks the secret of broccoli's metabolism-boosting prowess. Brace yourself for this energy revelation. Broccoli isn't just a nutrient-packed delight, it's a metabolism magician. How? The fiber in broccoli not only keeps you feeling full, but also revs up the caloric burn during digestion, contributing to a healthy weight and efficient energy expenditure. Prepare for number 21, where broccoli steps into the realm of mood enhancement. Get ready for this mood-boosting revelation. Broccoli isn't just a vegetable, it's a potential happiness promoter. How? By increasing the levels of serotonin, dopamine, and other neurotransmitters in your brain. These chemicals aren't just scientific terms. They're the mood regulators, stress reducers, and happiness promoters. 22, where broccoli becomes your ally in boosting bone health. Brace yourself for this bone-strengthening revelation. Within broccoli's green embrace, you find calcium, magnesium, and vitamin K, a trio that champions strong bones and lowers the risk of osteoporosis. By inviting broccoli to your plate, you're not just enjoying a tasty vegetable, you're providing your body with the essential nutrients it craves for optimal bone health. 23. We unveil broccoli's detoxifying power against heavy metals. Get ready for this cleansing revelation. Broccoli's fiber and plant compounds team up to eliminate heavy metals from your body. It's not just about nutrition, it's about promoting overall health and well-being. Broccoli, not just a tasty side dish, but a natural detoxifier that contributes to keeping your body free from unwanted heavy metals. 24. Introduces the antioxidant-rich marvel that is broccoli. Brace yourself for this cellular defense revelation. Broccoli is not just a vegetable, it's a treasure trove of antioxidants. These mighty defenders combat free radicals and shield your cells from damage. It's not just about preventing harm. These antioxidants actively reduce the risk of chronic diseases, paving the way for a healthier, longer life. At last, number 25 unfolds broccoli's anti-inflammatory prowess. Get ready for this inflammation-fighting revelation. Broccoli is more than a veggie, it's a potent ally against inflammation. Packed with antioxidants and amino acids, it actively combats inflammation, potentially lowering the risk of chronic conditions like heart disease and diabetes. By inviting broccoli to your plate, you're not just enjoying a delicious meal, you're investing in your body's defense against inflammatory foes. To sum it up, broccoli is a nutritional powerhouse that offers an array of health benefits. It's high in vitamins C and A, rich in vitamins K and niacin, and a good source of fiber. With its abundance of choline, potassium, iron, magnesium, and phosphorus, broccoli provides a holistic approach to wellness. Additionally, it possesses antioxidant, anti-inflammatory, and detoxifying properties. It may help reduce the risk of cancer, heart disease, and hormone imbalances. Broccoli also supports healthier skin, hair, and nails, aids in weight loss, and boosts metabolism and mood. Incorporating broccoli into your daily diet can truly transform your well-being. Before your next meal, remember to include this incredible vegetable on your plate. Subscribe to our channel for more valuable health tips, and don't forget to hit that notification bell to stay updated. Your journey to a healthier life begins with small, mindful choices.